We're here at Benton Lee's Steakhouse with CCA for the 3rd annual cattle drive, and you're watching Gorilla Pirate TV. Are we there yet?
Let's eat. Good God, let's eat.
Where we at, Al?
Food, man. Benton Lee's Steakhouse. Right on the river.
It might be left on the river.
64 ounce for us.
Look at the place in Park.
The great philosopher Wang Fu said, "It's not the destination, but the journey with friends that is important." But in times like these, I look to the wisdom of Chitty, who said, "Never trust in the words of a vegetarian."
Tell everybody what size that steak is.
This is medium. That's small.
What size is that steak?
Medium.
That's a medium, folks.
What's that? Large?
That's a medium.
Small.
That's a small?
Medium, people. That's how we do it down here in Georgia. Steak, buddy.
I don't know, I'm eating my salad. It's going to be good. Susan's already enjoyed
Salad is what you eat while you're waiting on your steak, not after you've gotten your steak. I want you to clean your plate now. A happy plate is a clean plate. Look at that food still left. That's the steak for 2. That's half. That's the other half. 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 Right there.
Dana, are you guys?
That's
And I'm
a
gonna
small.
leave your ticket right there.
Small.
That's the small. Wow.
S-M-all. Small. Rod, how was that steak, buddy? That's all that's left.
Just call it roadkill. That's all I can do.
Never before in the history of man have such amounts of meat been consumed at one time. What effect would this have on our team and their ability to recall vital Corvette knowledge?
Ready? One is collector cards. 1990 complete set. Question: first year Corvette was an Indy pace car. First year was an Indy pace car. 5.
Right here. Black shirt.
Go ahead. Yes. Good. Very good. You can get that off your iPod.
No shirt.
That was the year she was born.
C6R driver moved to Cadillac Racing in the last 2 years. You can't say that.
White shirt.
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
Johnny O'Connor.
Yep.
Johnny who?
Hey, Chuck.
All right, raise your hand. The 2001 Z06 had what horsepower? That gentleman right there. Yeah. Don't say it, don't say it, don't talk. Go ahead. 345. 345? No. 405. Nope. Nope.
385.
385. Question. In 1969, the ignition lock was moved from the dash to the steering column. What year was it returned to the dash? No.
Right here. White shirt here. 95.
No. Close.
73.
No.
Right here.
97 right here. The C6 Grand Sport model returned in what year?
2010.
Yes. The term stingray was used in the 60s and 70s, sometimes one word, sometimes two words. But what year within that period neither was used on the car? 68. That's it? 68? Question. Sun visors became an option in what year? 73. Who said that? You raise your hand. 59. Too big for you, Steve. Next question. The first 200 C5s were all painted what color?
White. Back here. Red.
Close enough. What year? Is the first Corvette to have the windshield wipers that go this way? I'm not even finished, but go ahead.
97.
You got it.
Hey!
Get through the archives.
Excuse me, we have any requests back here by Mr. Sparks?
No! No!
I want to see Rod finish the question.
With our mission accomplished, it was now time to head home.
Hey man, how you doing there?